Hello and welcome to this YouTube video on Amazon CodeWhisperer, your AI coding companion. Are you looking for a way to build application faster and more securely? Look no further than CodeWhisperer. CodeWhisperer is trained on millions of lines of code and can generate code suggestions ranging from snippets to full functions in real time based on your commands and existing code. With CodeWhisperer, you can bypass time-consuming coding tasks and accelerate building with familiar APIs. But that's not all. CodeWhisperer can also help you code with confidence by flagging or filtering code suggestions that resembles open source training data. You can get the associated open source projects repository URL and license so that you can more easily review them and add attribution. But let's not forget about code security. CodeWhisperer can scan your code to detect and hard to find vulnerabilities and get code suggestions to remediate them immediately, aligned to best practices for tackling security vulnerabilities such as those outlined by the Open Worldwide Application Security Project, or those that don't meet crypto libraries best practices and other similar security practices. CodeWhisperer fits the way that works for you. You can select from 15 programming languages including Python, Java and JavaScript, and add your favorite integrated development requirements like VS Code, IntelliJ IDEA and AWS Cloud9. During the preview, Amazon ran a productivity challenge and participants who used Amazon CodeWhisperer were 27% more likely to complete tasks successfully and did so on average of 57% faster than those who did not use the Amazon CodeWhisperer. It's a giant leap forward in a developer productivity. CodeWhisperer is optimized for use with AWS services, making it more efficient for developers to use AWS services by providing code suggestions that are optimized for AWS APIs, including Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud, AWS Lambda, Amazon Simple Storage Service, and Amazon S3. CodeWhisperer also provides a built-in reference tracker that detects whether a code suggestion might resemble open source training data and flags such suggestions. These suggestions are annotated with open source repository URL, file reference, and license information so that you can review before deciding whether to incorporate this code or not. CodeWhisperer helps developers avoid bias by filtering out code suggestions that might be considered biased and unfair. And for enterprise users, you can provide users or group access to CodeWhisperer using sign-on and AWS IAM Integrity Center integration. You can manage group-wide policies such as including suggestions with reference code. In conclusion, CodeWhisperer is your AI companion that can help you build applications faster and more securely. Try it out and let us know in comments what you think of it. Thanks for watching.